Hi, Mike here, how you doing? For those that don't know, my name's Mike. I shoot travel vlogs and talk about the camera gear I use to make the travel vlogs. Simple as that, really. On those occasions where I don't want to take a camera bag and I don't really want to carry a lot of gear, and there's one particular camera which I always go to, is this guy here. That is the G7X Mark II with the flip up screen. This guy here. So yeah, this is the camera that I use for all of that B-roll. Actually that's not true, I use this one here and this one here, and this is my setup that I take with me when I don't want to take any gear with me, quite frankly, but these two cameras fit nicely into my jacket pocket, and it just means that I can get pretty decent footage and not take a lot of gear with me. By the way, this is a GoPro Hero 7, just in case I didn't make that entirely clear. I've just got a little red cap over the front to protect the lens. The only thing really letting this guy down is the bad audio, but aside from that, here I'm running the audio now, so you'll be able to see it side by side. I'm running it at the same ISO, both at ISO 400, shutter speed over 160th, running at 30 frames per second. Now this is at the aperture of 1.8, which is what it goes to, but I'm putting these lenses pretty much side by side, camera 1, camera 2, camera 1, camera 2, and you can see that it's pretty much the same 24mm on a crop sensor camera with a speed booster added to it. I'm using the EF 24mm f2.8 on the Canon M50 with the Viltrox speed booster. So yeah, that's the two differences. So this is the audio from the G7X Mark II, and this is the audio from the M50 with the Rode Video Micro, which is down there so I don't get the sound of the autofocus on this lens here, which is very noisy. So yeah, but anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video to showcase what I use in those environments where I don't want to take a camera bag with me, or I'm not sure whether I'm even allowed to take a camera in. The audio is okay for picking up actual music at events. That's all the audio that I'm going to share from that, because I got into big trouble on this channel for sharing something from Bruce Springsteen at a show. Sorry Bruce, won't happen again. So yeah, this is what I use, and I use this camera a lot on my football channel, Matchday Vlogs. I'll link that also at the end of this video as well, so you can check out some of the videos I've been using this particular camera with. And if any particular stadium has a policy against professional camera gear, whatever that means, this cannot be described as professional camera gear whatsoever, but the results, as I think you saw from those clips from the O2 recently, and also some of the clips I've had from the football episodes, that this does pretty decent stuff. It's discreet, it's tiny, it folds up this small, it's got an aperture of 1.8, fully zoomed out. That increases to 2.8 when it's zoomed into the full optical zoom of 4.2 times zoom. It's got image stabilization, it's got 60 frames per second, doesn't have a mic input, but really, oh, it has a flash, it's great. So there we go, the G7X Mark II gets a thumbs up from me. I hope that's been useful. If you've got any questions at all about this camera here, or tips that you want to share yourself, stick them down in the comment section below. Anyway, I'm currently at Gothenburg Airport and my flight boards in 5 hours and I need to get some sleep. So if you've enjoyed this episode, give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, consider subscribing, and we will see you in the next one. See ya.